From this video, you will get tips to prepare for CEA-C01 Alibaba Cloud Certified Associate, Cloud Engineer exam. What is Alibaba Cloud Certified Associate, Cloud Engineer exam? Key skills tested in the CEA-C01 exam. CEA-C01 exam details. CEA-C01 exam content and ratio. Best study strategy for CEA-C01 success. 1. Which of the following best describes the main advantage of using Alibaba Cloud CDN? A. Increased latency. B. Higher data storage costs. C. Limited geographic reach. D. High availability and faster content delivery. Answer: D. 2. In what way can CloudMonitor's real-time monitoring capabilities affect incident response? A. It allows for immediate identification and resolution of issues. B. It solely provides historical context. C. It requires manual checks that are time-consuming. D. It slows down reactions to incidents. Answer: A. 3. Images can be created from snapshots of ECS instances. Which of the following statements about images are true? Choose all that apply. A. Images must contain the system disk. B. Images do not need to contain the system disk. C. Images can be used to create backups. D. Images can be shared with other Alibaba Cloud accounts. Answer: AD. 4. Lena is considering transitioning to a managed database solution to lower their maintenance costs. What solution would you recommend they implement? A. Aspara DB RDS. B. An open-source PolarDB deployment on ECS. C. A relational database deployed on ECS. D. A NoSQL database deployed on ECS. Answer: A. 5. Which of the following best practices is not recommended for securing the Alibaba Cloud root user? A. Create a RAM user for day-to-day admin work. B. Create multiple access key pairs for the root user. C. Remove existing root user access key pairs. D. Enable MFA for the root user. Answer: B. 6. Which type of workload is PolarDB particularly well suited for? A. Large written documents without structured data. B. High-volume transaction processing and real-time analytics. C. Simple file storage. D. Exclusive read-only systems. Answer: B. 7. Samantha runs an e-commerce platform and wants to modernize its architecture to support better scalability and resilience. They are considering migrating from a monolithic application to microservices. What should they prioritize in their transition? A. Ignoring monitoring solutions until after the migration. B. Converting all services to VMs first before adopting containerization. C. A purely serverless architecture without any baseline compute resources. D. Using containers to package and deploy microservices. Answer: D. 8. Which of the following factors are valid motivations for implementing monitoring solutions? Choose all that apply. A. Detect issues automatically. B. Respond to issues in a timely fashion. C. Generate incident reports and prevent recurring. D. Identify the root causes of issues. E. Eliminate human positions and save costs. Answer: A, B, C, D. 9. Which of the following categories of data are ideal to be stored in OS? Choose all that apply. A. Employee information table. B. Game update packages for online games. C. Images uploaded by users on an art sharing site. D. Large volumes of media such as audio and video. Answer: B, C, D. 10. How does auto-scaling improve cost efficiency in cloud environments? A. By maintaining a minimum number of instances regardless of traffic. B. By ensuring users pay fixed monthly fees for all resources. C. By charging based only on idle time of instances. D. By automatically adjusting resource levels based on actual demand. Answer: D. Subscribe and like past question.